Welcome to Winning Products.
In tips, we're going to look at a product called cat glove, cat and grooming glove, pet brush glove for cat, dog, hair remove brush, dog, uh, the shedding, cleaning, combs, massage, gloves. This is a winning product on AliExpress because one, it solves a particular problem. It solves a particular problem. It helps protect your hands in the process of touching your pets. Uh, and in process of touching your pet, possibly your pet uses its claws on your hand to injure your hand, or in the process, the pet may be bit or bite your hand. So it solves that problem. What problem does it solve? Rather, what solution does it give? It protects your hands against um, injuries sustained while playing or treating your cats or pets in well, or giving a good treat to your cat or pets. It currently has a 4.7 star review. It currently has 4.7 stars reviews on AliExpress with 1,703 reviews and 5,088 orders. It comes to different color variation as you can see on the screen. Um, it comes with free shipping from China to United States via Kano Super Economic Global, expected release on June 2nd. I won't tell you to go for this supplier because of the shipping times as at 9 2022 when recording this video. So I won't advise you go for this winning product on using AliExpress as supplier. So just go for another independent supplier, which is CJ Dropshipping. Currently, CJ Dropshipping has different warehouses: US warehouse, Thailand warehouse, China warehouse, Germany warehouse, among other countries. The name of the product on CJ Dropshipping, the name of the product on CJ Dropshipping is called letting them and taking them pet protective gloves. And the product price is $12.83 to $13.13 with color and comes in two color variation, blue and black. The sizes M, L, XL, and X. The shipping fee is 12.74 USD to 13.74 USD. Service fee is 1.74 USD to 1.87 USD. And the total drop shipping price is $27.31 to $28.71. Processing time is between 1 to 3 days with other respective details. And now let's look at the shipping times on the independent supplier known as CJ Dropshipping. Shipped from China and warehouse, as you can see. All inventory has a total inventory of 191,501, and it integrates with different e-commerce platform, Shopify, Woocommerce, and Wix, among others. Uh, if I suggest you target mainly the United States when I'm selling this product, United States of America, and you can see the shipping method is CJ Packet Ordinary. The expected delivery time is 10 to 18 days. That's the reason why we need to use this. Also, it's suitable. If you are shipping to the United States, customers will be angry when getting a product between 10 to 18 days. But if you decide to use AliExpress, as you can see on the screen, it's beyond the April. It's entering June, so you can't use this. Instead, go for CJ Dropshipping. Decide to use this product. Okay, now let's look at the trends to see if this trends, if it's a trending product, that is an evergreen product. I would say this is an evergreen product because for those who have dogs and cats, and they usually play around with their dogs and cats, sometimes they sustain injury on their hands. This is a good product to protect the owner, pet owner, against cat bites and dog bites. If you check on Google Trends, type in um, pet grooming, grooming, grooming gloves. Let's say gloves. We're going to see the trend as at 2021. You can see it goes up, it comes down. It goes up, it comes down. You can see that is worldwide. And let's check on United States. Let's see the trend in the United States of America. Let's see how the trend goes. For the past 12 months, you can see it's going up. So this is a winning product, an evergreen product, and the region you need to target. That if you are using a Facebook ads, the interest by sub-region will be Florida. You can see. So when you are targeting United States, Florida, Texas, and California are the major searches and trend where it is trending currently. So if you are targeting using Google Ads, you can use this location for your US based target using IP address. I think it's the using zip code. Yes, you can use zip code instead of using zip codes to target this three locations using Google Ads. However, if you're using Facebook ads, your location will be people living in people living in the United States of America using United States as your location. Okay, going further. Let's check other stores selling this product. Let's see if uh, departmental stores in the United States, that is stores on the streets, are selling this product. If they're selling it, we'll say it's saturated in the United States. That is, people can easily go to departmental stores and get this product. But if they're not selling such products currently, then I'll say you should go for this product. This is an evergreen winning product. You can sell on Shopify, Woocommerce, or Westore. Now, if this is a Walmart, let's check. Let's type pet grooming product on Walmart and check in department session. Yes, department session. It's still loading. So go towards in store. Let's see if this product is available. As you can see, currently it's not currently available on on Walmart as I time of recording this video. So this is a good product to go for in April 2022. Okay, okay. Let's also check the marketing strategy and the trading results, proposed trading results for this product. The marketing strategy for the pet protective or grooming gloves using a Facebook ads. We're going to use a interest sites. We're looking at dogs, age 16 to 65, gender, use all gender, both male, female, transgender, all gender, location, we're using people living in the United States, that's United States. Interest, we're looking at dog food, dog sitter, and that's the interest. Ad name, can name your ad name, dog grooming glove. I suggest you go for dog videos. I use a video to run your Facebook ads. Other market strategy you can use is Google Shopping ads, Google Search ads, with a good headline and a good keyword research to get a good quality stock, to get a good quality score for your Google ads with relevance. You can also use YouTube search ads. You can also use YouTube video ads. You can also use Instagram dog influencers located mainly in the United States. And you can also use TikTok dog influencer located in the United States. Now let's check our proposed trading results for pets protective or grooming gloves. Now the cost price on CJ Dropshipping is 13.10 USD. The total shipping cost we're using a CJ packet on now is 50.61 USD. And the proposed cost profit will be 25.28 USD if you decide to sell at the selling price of 3.99 USD on your Shopify, Woocommerce, or Westore. You can also increase this price to 55.99 or 55.95 here, depending on your marketing strategy. If you're going to be using dog influencers, mainly Instagram dog influencers or TikTok influencers, you have to negotiate with influencers based on one-time payment or commission base. One-time payment which is based on one-time payment rather or commission base. If it's based on commission basis, you have to install an affiliate marketing app on your Shopify store or Woocommerce store. And I think that is the best method to sell these products, whereby you don't pay the influencers upfront. You give them a unique coupon code. Once their followers buys the products, they get a commission for each sale.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.